I have the Samsung Galaxy A34, and if you want to delete an alarm, then the first thing you need to do is go to the clock app. Okay, now you can find the clock from the app screen, or you can just go to the Samsung folder and find clock, or you can just go to the search function and type clock. Okay, and then select clock from the results. Now you can turn on, you can delete an alarm that's either on or off. For instance, this one is on, this one is off. But you can delete by simply long pressing on the alarm and then select delete. Okay. If you want to, you can choose multiple alarms and then tap on delete all. And that's going to delete all alarms or an alarm from your Galaxy A34. It's as simple as that. Comments and questions down below. Leave a like if this was useful. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Good luck.